Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review unboxing for a certain timepiece. And with that, we're going back to November of 2000. Wow, I was 9 at the time, and this was a month before my friend's 10th birthday, and another friend was turning 9. And who else was turning at that point? 6 going on 7 at that time, and another friend was turning 5, and as well as some of my homies were my age. And another friend graduated high school that year, 2 actually. And wow, 2000. What a way to enter the 20th century or the 21st century. But with that, let's take a look at this. And this is a G-2300, the forgotten but complete basic G-Shock. But of course, this is one of the early days of the solar ones. Let's zoom. Let's take a look right here. And with the design, everything, it's a data memory and it's full auto calendar, tough solar. And this was before we even heard of the word multiband by the late 2000s. But again, this is 2000. And if you look at it, I gotta go back as further. Hold on a second, folks. Sorry for a little delay. So yeah, the design may look like your basic nowadays, but this was the early days. World time, that's what it was. And look at that, the design and everything. I mean, it's spectacular, it's superb. Very, very uniquely designed of its day. Tough solar, amazing stainless steel. And 2184 was the module number. Great buckle and everything. Great buttons, could take rugged abuse. And this didn't have Bluetooth, let's be clear. And really, this is a great timepiece ever made. Amazing EL backlight. And I'm on the blog for 50G's blog spot known as Shores, SJORS, Shores, who has been doing these 50G's blog spot for nearly many years now. And I gotta say, this is a great timepiece. And checking out the history of the design, that's where it originated in November of 2009. And let's take and these are your nowadays versions that included. Hold on. It'll take time to load for some time, but if anybody remembers, let me know in the comments down below if anybody remembers what they were doing in 2000s. I know I'm a 90s baby. I was attending elementary school at that point. Some of my homies were in elementary school. And what could I recall 2000? I remember MTV was still kicking around. The box music channel was booming, and same thing with MP3 players, CD discs, and what else? VHS was still going, and DVD was the big rave, and what else would went on? Nanny. I remember going to Water Rapids at that point, and also Next Friday was released that year. How can I forget Next Friday? And also, who could forget other projects that came out that year, including musics, big hits, where I don't even know if Billboard, the top 10 Billboard did exist. I don't know much. Any of you remember, let me know in the comments down below about 2000. Heck, again, I was ending school days, and I liked school and I hated school. I didn't have fun in those days. It's taking quite time to load. Hold on. Alrighty, and here's where we're going to take a look back around that point. Besides this model, we're looking at this one. This particular one is a G-2300-9V. And this was the big rave about at that point. I mean, look at the face of it. Gold display, blue on top, some gold to the letterings, and the gold on the G button right there, only on the letter G. And really, this is like the big rave at that point. So yeah, perhaps easy to find or hard to find. Depends on the condition. You're going to have to, if it's used, you're going to have to be extreme careful. If you're buying used G-Shock pieces, you got to find the band and the bezel that can match, and as well as just the band and bezel. But before all that, you got to wash the watch. You got to wash it and clean it. And make sure you use a towel, not your towel, but a cloth or a hand towel, if you will. But I don't normally do that. It depends on the price, you know. How much is it? The value went high, you know, big money was involved, you know, this and that, among other things. So yeah. So this is his early predecessors from, like, say, many years ago. Let me just zoom. Heck, amazing timepiece, no lie there. And then suddenly around late 2010, early 2010s, if you will, early 2010s, we got the 2310. Hold on a second. It will take some time. Hold on a second, y'all. All right, y'all. So, yeah, it took a while, so here we are. And this is a particular timepiece we're going to be looking at, and it's a 2310-1, or in this case, it's going to be the 2310R-1. And this was released in 01, perhaps in October or in November, or perhaps sometime in the summer or prior around 2001 when I was 10. And with that, let's take a look at the piece that we're about to review. Like, right now. Let's check it out. Right now, y'all. Let's go. Well, y'all. Here it is. Here's your basic box. That's not even the right number, though. Okie dokie. Let's go here. Slide out your basic tin. Every timepiece is very important to have their warranty card. Okay, here's the manual. Module number 3192 in some languages. All right. Here it is. With that, let's take a look around. Here we go. I don't know if that's the right price, but what the heck. Okay, it's the G-2310R-1. Like you've seen in the photos of its predecessors from many years ago. World time, it doesn't have data memory. The gold version has that one. Or in the other version from the early days. And this is from 1 year later in 2001, 21 years ago. Red button, red on the G, And you got G-Shock in red. Very good there, huh? And and you see how I'm not pressing a button on this because it's on the aerial electroluminescent backlight. There it is. Here it is. I didn't press a button. I swear, if I did, I had to press it like that. So, there. That's AL right there. And here is the body of the watch. With that, let's take a look at this. And this band is going to be a 2310 band because the number on this is a 52.9 GE22.16 16 PUR. Pause that carefully, folks, if you're planning on getting a replacement. And let's see what's on the buckle. Well, among other things, it may say Casio Thailand on the buckle, but we know this brand is Japanese already, y'all. And I'll leave you the measurements down below on the description box as well. I'm not going to be like measuring the size of it too much. I'll just leave it in the description box down below. And this design is very familiar if anyone's seen movies, and I believe there's a blacked out version. And I believe, could this be the model that Tyler Perry wore in the or was it a different model in the 2012 film Alex Cross, based on the novel? Yeah, he wears a Rolex for relaxing when he's like doing other things, and of course he could be wearing this when he's in combat training. Good buttons here. Now you already know the module number, 3192. And let me pause that carefully. G-Shock resist, y'all. Let's be clear on that. Okay, let's take a look at the modules and everything. World time, UTC. Alarm, you got your alarms. Let's go further to 2, 3, 4, snooze, signal, and back to your alarm 1. You got your stopwatch, my personal favorite, the timer. And then you already got it reverse. You can reverse that. And it's your choice how you want. Leave it at A point EL. Let's see for the adjustments very quickly. Okay, NYC. Daylight savings. Let me see for this one. That's ahead. And then you got your, you can do military time, make it 24-hour military time. You deactivate that. And then adjust your seconds, your hour, your minutes, the year, month, and date. And there's key, and then the LT for your backlight. I leave it for 3 seconds. It's better than 2 seconds. So yeah, what do you guys think so far about this piece? Let's take a quick look how it would look in the Sparky wrist, even though I am a size 7. So it would fit like about 5 holes, but could slide around though, but how? It's what they're made for or something, but here you go. 5 holes to fit on this big ass wrist. So, and with that, let's play a little music from 2001. And with that, I'm going to find the right music that can fit the year of this timepiece. With that, folks, let's hear the music that can fit with this timepiece and put it together. All right. With that now out of the way, all the info in at once. Time to put a little music from 2001 with the song Saliva, if I'm not mistaken, with their hit song, or his hit song, Click Click Boom. Enjoy, y'all. Well, y'all, did you enjoy this video? I know I have. And among other things, more things to come. And around next month is going to be the release of Alligator and Alligator 2, which you already know by now. And I got to start pre-ordering my copy soon. And also Girlfriend from Hell is going to be released pretty soon. And along with other titles like Dead Heat with Treat Williams and Joe Piscopo. Again, Vinegar Syndrome titles. And the Alligator movies are coming from Scream Factory. Also let you all know, for out-of-print titles like Hercules and Hercules 2, which are the Lou Ferrigno Hercules, part of Canon Films if I'm not mistaken. They're going to be going out of print soon, so better get those like now before they go bye-bye and huge prices. And as well as for the Chuck Norris first Missy in Action film, that's going out as well. And Caged Heat with Eric Estrada. He's in that film released in 1990. That's going to go out of print soon, so better get those like now before they go bye-bye. Well, anyways, that's all you need to know for now. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. God bless you all.